In this tutorial, we will show you how to complete IRS Form 8879 using PDF.co and Zapier. Here is the sample source document that we use. First, click on the Make a Zap button to create a Zap. Next, choose PDF.co app for the app event. Then, select PDF filler for the action event. Now, connect your PDF.co account to perform the Zap. Now, we will show you how to get the IRS Form 8879 form fields. PDF.co Get PDF Info is the perfect tools to make this job done. Click the Helper Tools menu and select Get PDF Info. Kindly click on the From URL button, paste the link in the URL box, and click on the Proceed button. We will only need the page indexes and field names to use in Zapier. Now, we will configure the PDF filler to fill the IRS Form 8879. In the Source PDF field, kindly select or enter the IRS Form 8879 URL. In the fillable fields, enter the page index, field name, and the value for that field separated by a semicolon. We are now ready to send the PDF filler over to PDF.co for test and review. Great! The PDF filler was configured correctly and PDF.co returned a temporary URL. This is now the IRS Form 8879 that we filled out using PDF.co and Zapier. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel or on our website. Thank you for watching.